Tired of your marketing tools feeling like a tangled mess? Let's untangle them by integrating Google Ads, Tag Manager, and Analytics into your Webflow website for powerful data-driven decisions. First, head over to your Webflow project and navigate to Project Settings by clicking the three dots in the top right corner, then selecting Settings. Now click on the Integrations tab. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down until you see the Google Analytics section. We're going to connect our Google Analytics account. Copy your Google Analytics tracking ID from your Google Analytics account and paste it into the Google Analytics tracking ID field in Webflow. Make sure you're using the GA for measurement ID. Next, let's set up Google Tag Manager. Copy your Google Tag Manager container ID from your Google Tag Manager account. Paste it into the Google Tag Manager container ID field in Webflow. Connecting Google Ads requires a little tag manager magic inside Google Tag Manager. Create a new tag. Choose Google Ads Conversion Tracking or Remarketing, depending on your goal. Configure the tag with your Google Ads Conversion ID and conversion label, which you will find in your Google Ads account. Then set up a trigger for when you want the tag to fire, like a page view or a button click. Finally, publish your Webflow site to activate all the integrations. Now you can track user behavior, ad performance, and website traffic with ease. Congratulations! You have successfully integrated Google Ads, Tag Manager, and Analytics into your Webflow website. Now you can make informed decisions based on real data.